Hello everyone, this is Sudhir. Welcome back to my class. In this class we are going to learn how to prove root 2 plus root 3 is irrational. So to prove this one, like the before problem concept, how we prove that root 2 is an irrational number. So in the same way, we prove now root 2 plus root 3 is an irrational number. Means that is a method of contradiction, means with the disprove method. First we will take a rational number and finally we can prove it is not a rational number. First, suppose if it is rational number, okay, so we write that point: if root 2 plus root 3 is rational, so you know very well rational mean it has p by q form, okay. Then what you get here, root 2 plus root 3 equal to p by q form number. Don't forget here p by q are co-prime integers. Okay, so now if you transpose this one from here to here, then what you can find, root 2 is equal to p by q minus root 3 plus root 3 becomes root 3. Now you take squaring on both sides, okay, so squaring on both sides. So this is in the form of like a minus b whole square form, a minus b whole square. Then we have the a square minus 2ab plus b square form, okay. So then we write square and root get cancelled, so that is equal to, this is 2, and we are going to write this is in the form of like a minus b whole square, right? That is a square minus 2a b, okay. So I wrote in this form like minus 2ab plus b square is there. What is a b square here? 3 square, okay. So now we can cancel here square and root. Then we write here 2 equal p by q whole square mean p square by q square minus 2pq into root 3 plus root 3 square is 3, okay. So what we do now, observe very clearly here, this is a very important point I am going to discuss. Just focus on this completely. In this, some rational, some irrational numbers are there. What is a rational? Just I am going to tick the rational number, okay. It is a rational, and p square by q square is a rational, but this 2p by q root 3 is irrational, because root 3 is an irrational number. So that's the reason total the term 2p by q root 3 is an irrational number. So the best method what we do here, take irrational numbers are one side completely, that means either left hand side or right hand side. So the symbol minus is there to become a plus. Better we can transpose this one from left to right hand side, okay. So you can focus, then what we get, 2p by q plus root 3. So left hand side 2p by q root 3 is equal to, and 2p by q root 3 is equal to p square by q square, right? So here we have p square by q square. This is on right hand side we have, and already plus 3 also we have on right hand side. You can focus on them, okay. So plus 3, and you see now this plus 2 we are going to transpose from left hand side to right hand side, then it become minus 2, okay. So in the next step we write 2p by q root 3 equal to, this is p square by q square, 3 minus 2 is plus 1, okay. This 3 minus 2 is plus 1, and you take a cross multiplication from them. So what you get now, 2p by q root 3 equal, take a cross multiplication here by 1 you take, and by multiplying this 2, p square into 1 is p square plus q square into 1 is q square divided by q square, okay. Now what we do, root 3 equal, just focus, because it is completely irrational term, it is a rational term, okay. There is no root in this. So left hand side we have irrational term, right hand side we have rational term. The 2p by q also you can transpose from here to there, then you will get its reciprocal, correct? So root 3 is equal to, we have p square by q square divided by q square into q divided by 2p. Q and square get cancelled, then we have root 3 is equal to p square plus q square divided by 2p into q. This is 2p and into q, this is equal to 2pq. Okay. So what we got? Root 3 is an irrational. Listen, problem completed, but very important point it is. Root 3 is an irrational. This is a rational. How irrational number is equal to a rational number? Just to think, how irrational number is equal to a rational number? Correct? So since a and b are integers, we write a point here. Since, observe in this, not a and b, sorry, p and q. So we have taken like p by q form, right? Since p and q are integers, since p and q are integers, that's the reason here we have p square plus q square by 2pq. P square plus q square divided by 2pq is what? Rational. This is a rational. Okay, because p by q form is there, so that's the reason it is a rational number. And check it, what we have right hand side, this one. Yes, it is root 3 is, what is that? Irrational. Irrational, right? So what we proved? Rational equal to irrational, but this contradict our assumption is wrong, right? But this contradict our assumption. So our assumption is wrong or incorrect. Okay, so what we conclude? The question is root 2 plus root 3 is a rational number, sorry, okay, an irrational number. Okay, so very important model question. So I hope you understood this one, but I will explain with one more example, the same model. So this time root 2 plus root 3. Next I'm going to take one more example, that is root 3 plus root 5. See how we are going to solve this root 3 plus root 5. Okay, for suppose if root 3 plus root 5, to prove if it is an irrational number, so as usual you can take the steps. So steps you can follow the before here what you have written, right? So root 3 plus root 5 is equal to take a p by q. Next, as usual, you transpose this one here, then we get root 3 is equal to p by q minus root 5. Now you take a squaring on both sides. Okay, squaring on both sides. So square and root get cancelled. Then you have a 3 is equal to a minus b whole square form, that is a square minus 2ab, 2 into a into b form, 2ab plus b square. Okay, so square and root get cancelled, then you will get 3 equal to p square by q square minus 2pq into root 5 plus 5. Can you say next what we do? Yes, we need to transpose this irrational number here, because this completely irrational part we have a root 5. Remaining these all are the rational part. Take rational part completely one side and irrational part are other side. Irrational part is here 2p by q root 5 is equal to, this side we have p square by q square plus 5. This plus 3 become now minus 3. Okay, then what you can find here? 2p by q root 3 is root 5 is equal to p square by q square. So 5 minus 3 equal to 2. So it is plus 2. By taking a cross multiplication, 2p by q root 5 equal to p square plus 2q square by q square. Okay. So you can focus here. Then what you get in the next step? Root 5 equal to p square plus 2q square by q square into q by 2p. Okay. So q and square get cancelled, then you will have a number like root 5 is equal to p square plus 2q square divided by p square plus 2q square divided by 2pq, right? 2pq. So remaining step as usual, what that is in the previous problem I have written, right? Since p and q are the integers, and p square plus, and here additionally we added here 2q square by 2pq, right? By 2pq, and instead of root 5 we write here root 3, what is that? Root 5. So we have a root 5 there, then we write here root 5 is irrational, but but this contradict our assumption is wrong. So root 3 plus root 5 is an irrational. Okay. So just I have shown with the same steps again how to solve this problem. So very important model, practice very well. So this is Sudhir, thanks for watching, see you soon.